Okay, so we got everything all set up here. The tape is to hold it up while we make sure it's set up where we want it. Okay, and then once we do our pre-setup, we're going to then drill holes here. We're going to drill holes there to go through, so the screw will go through. Okay, we're going to be using stainless steel screws and replace the regular screws with it because it's out in the elements all the time and I don't want it to rust. If it rusts, it's going to streak like this all the way down and we need to fix that. Okay, so let me show you how I pre-fit this thing before we begin. Dad, if you were to bring it down like that, it'll touch this area and this area simultaneously. So that's where we want to put it. Okay. It's touched this area here simultaneously as it touches this area here, and this is where the screw hole goes there, the screw hole goes here too. To hold it up, we're going to be using one piece of tape like that. It's going to hold it up while and we're going to do the bottom piece now. Pretty much the same, but this time there is no area where we can do this, so we're just going to have to connect it. Okay, it's going to be touching in two angles. We don't want it looking like this. It looks dumb. I want it looking like this, so the distance from here to here is the same. Okay, we're pretty close to the same. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get at an angle where it touches here, and this point touches here at the same time. Okay, and then when we put the screws in, it'll look like that. Okay. Bottom is going to be a little bit more complicated, but I think it's doable in my opinion. Alright, so I'm going to try and follow this angle down here and follow the line. Okay, see the line there? Follow the line here. Okay. So it doesn't look like it's overlapping here or overlapping here. Okay, so we're going to follow the line, and that's basically what it's going to look like. So from the side, it's quite wide. Okay, remember the holes that I drilled in this? Right there. Right there. We're going to be using that as a guide. The drill is just big enough to go in the hole like that. Okay, and then that guide is going to be holding everything flat when you're drilling here. Okay, once you got your pilot hole set inside of your fender, one screw on one side and one screw on the other side, and that's what's going to hold the thing together. And when that's done, we're going to put all the screws together. Okay, now before we do anything, once the pilot hole is set here, okay, then we're going to be drilling this panel with a bigger bit, which is, where's the bigger bit? This one right here. Okay, what this will do, it'll make this thing bigger, so when you put the screw in, it won't put threads here, it'll just slip right through. Okay, and then we want the threads on the fender, okay, not here. All right, first we need to hold this up so we can work on it. Remember I told you, this is a good angle right there. I'm going to measure this side here to get the right. Okay, I'm going to get a ruler. Yeah, what a good angle we're going to have is to match this this headlight like that. See that? So if we bring this down, it'll match here like that. And that looks good. You have to watch the lines. You see this line here? If it looks like this, see how that don't look too good because this line is way off? Or if it looks like this, it's just not good at all. That's why you have to match the lines with this, because we happen to have it, and we'll bring this down to here like that. Okay? So, let's get a measurement. So it's easier to, it's easier to figure out. Right there. Better do it this way. Okay. Let's check it again. 10 centimeters. That's good. This. I don't have very many more. Okay. And from the side here, looks pretty good. And I'll show you a rear shot. It's quite aggressive looking, but okay. And from the front. So we're going to set it up, and we're going to drill holes and bolt it on tomorrow. That's what we're going to do. From the ridge of this from the ridge of this area here. You see that? It's 17. No, I'm sorry. 6.5. So in the middle here it should be 6.5 too. Then we got the right angle. And it's close. Bottoms out to the fender, it'll get tight, and then that's when you only turn a slight amount. Okay, and one more screw and we're done, guys. Chevrolet Aveo or Chevrolet Sail in whatever country you're from. This video is sponsored by Muscle Shirts, the premier online store for everything car related. Please check us out at muscleshirts.store and support us by getting one of our awesome products. We have a 15% discount for you at the checkout. Link in the description. What's up, boob tubers? Today I'm going to show you what I did to the car. It was, we did the complete front of it, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that from here. The front is completely, well, not completely done, but it's partially done. So did a professional quality install of the, what you call that, the front aero, and I'm surrounded by monkeys over here. Y'all want to see them? Right there. Monkeys everywhere. Does he want to be on video? There you go. Oh. While I was filming this video, this big male monkey grabbed a female monkey and started clapping her cheeks right in front of the camera. It was hilarious. I was trying to get a close-up shot of it, but this other female monkey was trying to attack me, as you can see here, so I backed off. What is he doing? Yeah, stop. Stop. It's getting really pissed off. Oh man, I gotta do a live stream of this. Okay, so you can see from the front, it looks like that. Oh, what a distraction! I gotta keep from getting bitten so I don't get rabies or something like that. Jesus Christ! So the front of it looks pretty good, as y'all can see. Came out pretty nice. Y'all see that? Yeah. Gives it a nice look, and you can see it from the rear as well. To complete the look. So anyway, just want to let you guys know, thank you for watching the video, and I appreciate it. And if you like what you saw, wait for the next video. We're going to have even more for you to watch and to check out. And I love being out here in the middle of this area. It's a very good place to film. That's why I come here to do that. All right, so thanks for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. BBG is out.